Hey there, it's Ryan Stripmather with Grayscale Capital, and we're standing here in front of a property that we recently purchased on London Road in the South Collinwood neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio. Let's go check it out. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family home with no garage. From the outside, it might look like a typical property that we purchased, but the story behind it is anything but typical. The seller, Granit, actually lived in the UK. He had bought this property sight unseen through a turnkey investment company, thinking it would be a solid rental. Unfortunately, that company turned out to be less than reputable and did not provide him with the product they had advertised. After closing, they passed him off to a subpar property management company, and from there, it was just one problem after another. Endless maintenance requests, multiple evictions, and a constant stream of stress. After the second eviction in just 2 years, Granit had enough. He went to Google and searched how to sell my house with troublesome tenants in Cleveland, Ohio. That's how he found us. He visited our website, read about how we help sellers, compared us to other companies, and then filled out a form. From there, we connected with him and just listened. No pressure, just open, honest conversations about what he wanted and what we could offer. We let him know that we would take on the tenant, cover all closing costs, and skip the appraisals, inspections, and showings of a traditional sale. Still, he wasn't sure, so we stayed in touch over the next few months. Eventually, on February 26th, he reached back out and said he was ready. He told us we earned his trust because we never pushed him, always followed through, and consistently checked in, not just about the house, but about him, and even connected him with a few local contacts to help with other needs. Resources that could have taken the deal away from us. But that's the difference. We lead with what's best for the seller, not what's best for us. We worked through some challenges with Granit being a foreigner selling a property in the United States and closed on March 11th, less than 3 weeks later. Even though we found out at closing there were 3 full pages of code and lead violations we hadn't been made aware of, but we honored our word. No complaints, no renegotiating, no drama. That's how we do business. That's why hundreds of homeowners have trusted Grayscale Capital to sell their home. Because when you choose us, you're choosing a partner who truly cares and a company that stands by its word. Just ask the families we've helped. Our reviews speak for themselves. All right, thanks for checking out that house with me. I hope that provided some good insight into the types of properties that we buy and the situations that we solve. If you have a house in Cleveland or the surrounding areas and you're ready to sell or just exploring your options, feel free to call or text us at 216-677-4810 or go visit our website at www.grayscale-capital.com and fill out our easy-to-use form and get your fair, no obligation cash offer today. I'm excited for the opportunity to work with you.